This is a dude, I'm so excited anytime he's going to come to an event. You talk about a guy that's long overdue for a freestyle win at a Trucks Go Wild event. It's this guy, Dustin Ramacher. I call him the American Dream. Reckless is the name of the truck. Let's do it. Dude, this could get crazy. Dusty has almost been, over the last year and a half, it's like he's been Susan Lucci'd out here at the Freestyle. And what I mean by that is he's come in second so many times when, you know, I don't know if he should have won. Always tearing it up and putting on a show just like that, like there's nothing to it. And he's always cool too, like when he comes in second, he's like, yeah, I'm fine with it. No, he's not. He's pissed off. I know that, you know? He wants to win. I think that is the 8th, maybe the 7th, but probably the 8th Susan Lucci reference that I've made announcing Trucks Go Wild shows. It's hard to tie in mud bog and freestyle with soap operas. I mean, just try it if you think it's easy. It's not. Come on, baby, do it. Oh, yeah, baby. Right on the target bag of flour. That was the bullseye, was the bag of flour that you land on, and he did it. Oh yeah. You got it, dude. Come on. Come on. Hang in there, Dream. Come on, dude. This guy is one of the best show-offs that I know. And he doesn't drink. Dude, look at that. Yeah. Boom. Probably brought it in at a good time. Unfortunately, one of the bars dragging on.